Hello everyone, this is Madhuri, your computer teacher from California Public School. It's class 7th. Today we are going to continue our next topic and today date is 9 September 2020. And topic is changing row height and column width. Changing row height and column width means in Microsoft spreadsheet how you can change the height of the row and width of the column. So in Excel we can adjust the row height and the column width of the worksheet as per the requirement. The default value for row height and column width is 15 points and 8.43 points respectively. Means by default जो हाइट होती है रो हाइट वो क्या है 15 पॉइंट्स एंड कॉलम विड्थ इज 8.43 पॉइंट्स but according to our requirement we can change these. So how we can change the row height? Steps are select the row. Firstly we will select the row whose height we want to increase or decrease, and after this click on the drop down arrow of the format button in the cells group on the home tab. Yes, firstly we have to click on the home tab, and after that there is option format button in the cells group, and after this is click on the row height option. So I am showing to you now. Firstly you have to click on this home tab. Yes, after this there is option, you can see here now there is option format in the cells group. You have to click here, and after whenever you will click here, one dialog box options, multiple options it will display. From here you have to choose row height option because you want to change here now row height. So after this one dialog box will appear. Yes, like this dialog box will appear. So here you can type the value. So according to that your height will be changed, and after this you, after typing the required value, you have to click on the OK. So now the change will be reflected on the selected row. So according to that change you can see on the selected row. So next one is how you can change the column width. Yes students, the same option. You have to firstly click on this home tab. After this there is option format. Yes, after clicking on the format option there is option column width. Yes, third option is column width. So you can click here, and after that same it will give to you one dialog box, a small dialog box, and here it will write here like this column width, and you can specify here column width and you can click on OK, and after that changes you can see on the selected column. So now come on the next question topic, that is using autofill feature. Next topic is using autofill feature. So Excel provides a wonderful features called autofill to fill a range of cells with a series of data without typing in it. Yes, if we want to fill a range of cells, means multiple cells, if we want to fill it with any value with a series of data and without typing in it, then we can use this autofill features. So it is the easiest method to fill data quickly and automatically in the worksheet cells. So how we can automatically fill the data? Step 1 is select the cell which contains the data. Let us say B1 containing January. So here they are selecting now B1 cell. Yes, this is B column and this is first row. So cell number is B1, means here they are selecting now this B1 cell, and it's written here now January. After this, position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell. Yes, you have to place your mouse pointer on the right side here. At this corner you have to place your mouse pointer. So the mouse pointer changes to a plus sign called as fill handle. After this your mouse pointer will change to the plus sign. So now what you have to do, hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle across the cells that you want to fill, say up to B5, and release the button. After this which thing you have to do, you have to hold down the left mouse button and you have to move it downside. till that you want to fill the values. Till that cells you have to hold down and you have to move your mouse pointer or handle downside, and after that you have to release the button. The months February to May would appear in the cells B2 to B5. After this, whenever you will release the mouse pointer, it will fill all the values. So in this way you can automatically fill the values. So here no need to type manually values, directly you can drag the mouse pointer and it will automatically fill values within the selected cells. Yes, so this is very important and useful feature in Microsoft Excel. So now come on the next topic, that is custom list. Here custom list means user defined list. How user can define upon list, अपनी खुद की लिस्ट वो कैसे बना सकता है, कैसे यूज कर सकता है, and this can save the time and reduce errors. So how we can and how user can use the user defined list? There are two ways to use the custom list, that is creating list by typing in values and creating list by importing. So here user will type values in the list, but in the second way, that is creating list by importing, it will directly use the created list. So let's read now. Click on the options present in the file tab. The Excel options dialog box will appear, and after this you have to choose the advanced option. In the right pane under general section, click on the edit custom list buttons. The custom list dialog box will appear. Select new list in the custom list box and then type the entries in the list entries box. Let us say the name of 7 continents, that is Asia, Africa, North America, South America. After this is Antarctica and Europe and Australia. Press enter after each entry. Means now they are creating here now custom list. You can see with the help of this picture. Yes, Excel options dialog box is open now. Here you can choose this advanced option. After this you have to choose option from the general category, and after this custom list dialog box will appear. Here you have to choose here new list, and after that it will give one box to you. Here you can write anything, any list that you want to create. You can enter the entries of the list, and after this you have to click on the add option, and then at last you have to click on the OK option. So now second way is creating list by importing. Import कैसे कर सकते हो list directly? Yes, in the custom list dialog box, specify or select the cell reference containing the list of items in the import list from cell box and click on the import button. Means directly you can select the entries from the cells. So after this the list items will be added in the custom list box. So whenever you will select, directly it will add entries in the list entries box. So then click OK twice on each dialog box to close them one by one. After this, after clicking on the OK option, you can close both dialog box manually. So this is the way how you can create custom list. So now your lesson number 6, more on spreadsheet, has been completed now. So it's your turn, students. You may read the chapter. Yes, carefully. So take care, students. Have a nice day.